Let's get it. With prices going down, we need to be looking at other metrics to tell which cryptocurrencies are going to be around in the future. We need to be taking a look at how many developers are on these projects, what the growth is like, and where they're potentially heading into 2022, 2023, and beyond. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at some of the cryptocurrency projects that I believe are going to be around for the next few years and could potentially have an amazing bull run in 2024, 2025, based solely on the amount of developer activity going on in their ecosystems. If you're new to the channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click that little notification bell. Select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. So without any further ado, let's jump right in here. So like I said, we want to take a look at who is actually developing and building during this time. And Electric Capital comes out with a developer report every single year. So you can obviously check out who Electric Capital are themselves, the investments they have. This is their website that I'm on right now. You can take a look at the different things that they are working on. They are big partners with Definity, Cello, lots of big players in the cryptocurrency space at this point in time. Mina, Near Protocol, you can scroll on down, take a look at all of these things going on there. So you can take a look at their approach, what they think, all that sort of stuff. Check out their team, Stack team, which is awesome. So you can take a look at all of that right here. But this is what I really want to get into. So they come out with a developer report every year. This is for 2021. So throughout the year of 2021, what projects were building and what kind of was the biggest growing ecosystems. So this is what they came up with. So there are, 18,000 monthly active developers committing code to open source crypto and Web3 projects. We're, I think, mainly focusing on, like they say on their website, their main focus is in Web3. They're building the future of Web3. So the overall summary here is just saying that the amount of developers working on Web3 overall is still growing, and it is growing faster than ever. There are several vibrant ecosystems emerging beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, and these largest ecosystems are, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we've got Polkadot, Cosmos, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Near, Avalanche, Tezos, Polygon, and Cardano. They all have over 250 plus monthly active developers. Right under that, you can see highlighted there, Polkadot, Solana, Near, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Terra are the fastest growing, where they're growing faster than Ethereum did. Obviously, I would scratch Terra off this list right now with everything that's going on. But this is why I will start talking about Polkadot specifically and Cosmos a lot more, because they are two of the bigger growing ones. I'm not super sold on Solana yet because they have had a lot of some shutdowns recently. I'm looking into Avalanche as well right now, and then Near Protocol. Binance Smart Chain's been around for a while. They are actively developing, which is great, and I've used it for a lot of things. But I do think the Polkadot and Cosmos ecosystem in particular are going to be some of the big players in the next bull run because of their just the multi-chain aspect of it. They also note in here that this whole Web3 thing is still extremely, extremely early to it. So these are two projects that I've mentioned on TikTok anyway that I'm dollar cost averaging into at certain price ranges. Polkadot and Cosmos in particular were two that I was going to be doing that. When we scroll on a little further down here, it's still, Ethereum is still the biggest one. It has been able to retain 30% of their full-time developers who have joined after 2017, which is really good. It means, there's a significant chunk of people that have been continuing to work on it for the last 4 or 5 years. Ethereum continues to be one of the big dogs. It's the largest ecosystem in regards to tools, apps, protocols, and is almost 3 times larger than any other ecosystem. And 1 out of every 5 developers is working on Ethereum in the Web3 space. So from that side of things, Ethereum is still one of your best bets, in my opinion. So those are some of the biggest ecosystems. We also need to take a look at which ecosystems are growing the fastest. So once again, obviously Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana are on there. But the two, again, that show up on the same list are Polkadot and Cosmos. So these are the 5 largest developer ecosystems, which is obviously a very, very good sign. They do talk about other ones here, but those are the two that keep popping up for me. And like I've mentioned before, are the ones that I do think are going to have a really awesome 2024, 2025 bull run if history repeats itself and we do get another, that kind of every 4 years we get that sort of bull run after the Bitcoin halving. I have mentioned on TikTok that they will be the ones that I am scaling into during this point in time while prices are down. I've kind of got a couple zones over here in which I would be scaling into. So yellow box is scaling in slowly, not going all in. If there's anything that comes down into these green boxes, for me, this is where I would definitely be backing up the truck. So same thing with Cosmos and Polkadot, over here. Yellow box scaling in slowly, like a little bit each week. And if we get down into the green box, this would be where we would be going a little bit heavier into these two projects in particular. Obviously, you got to come up with your own strategy. This is just mine based on some of the quick TA and a little bit of research that I have done here on both Polkadot and Atom, and then this report that came out, and I took a deeper dive through it and see that they are both fitting into that whole narrative of when things are bearish, we need to look at who is developing, who is moving their projects forward, and how many people are actually actively working on them. And this is one of those things where I do think that these two are going to be things that are going to stick around for a while. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you got some value out of this video, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, then click that little notification bell and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. Appreciate each and every single one of you. See you next time in the next episode from the Crypto Cabin.